When building out a Nintex form, sometimes you're going to have to collect information that's very particular to the individual user, such as their current location. In this example, what we're going to look at is a field service inspection form. We've got a couple of controls here already, such as a short text for the field service engineer name, a date time control to capture the date of the inspection, and then a choice multi-control for the inspection reason. And so we've gone over these controls already. If you don't know what these controls do, we have subsequent videos and learning opportunities to get a better understanding of those controls. However, what we don't have on the form, though, is the ability to capture the current location of that user. So how do we do that? Well, what we want to do is we want to use the geolocation control. And so you'll find that under the control panel on the left-hand side, just simply drag and drop onto the designer canvas where you want. And so if we click on the control, you'll see a flyout on the right-hand side. Now this control, it looks like a single line text or a text short control, but what it does is it actually captures the latitude and longitude of where that user currently is. And so you can enter that in. However, if you wanted to enter a location other than your current location, you have to ensure that you have enabled the Google Maps setting in Nintex Workflow Cloud settings. And we'll go over that later. But for right now, if you just wanted the user who's using the form be able to capture their immediate location, they'll be able to do that using the geolocation control. And so you've got your standard options here, such as placeholder, where you can have certain text just appear, such as set current location. And you can also have a description and a tooltip for if you hover over the control. But here what we'll do is we'll just give it a name and just set it at current location. And that's pretty easy. So on the right hand side, you'll notice that we have this button, and what that button does is that allows you to, when you're looking at the form, click on it or press it if you've got the Nintex mobile version of this form, and it will use location services in your browser or your mobile device, the hardware that you're using. It will leverage that location services, and then if you enable that, if you allow it, it will capture your current location, latitude and longitude. It's just as if you were going on any website and maybe you're looking at a store and you want to find the stores that are around you. And if you click on the ability to find stores around you, you may see a pop-up appear saying, allow so-and-so website to capture your location. Well, that's exactly what's going on here too. We're using location services to grab that data. And so once you do it, you'll populate the latitude and longitude. And that's simply how the geolocation control works in Nintex Forms for Nintex Workflow Cloud.